Hi, this is Scott from OutdoorCookingMagic.com, and it is a cold day out today, but it is beautiful. The sun's out, so it's a great day for grilling. And so today we're going to grill a chicken dish. It's chicken with a black bean salsa. And to begin, I make a rub that had some brown sugar, about a tablespoon, about a teaspoon of hot sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of pepper, and rubbed it on the chicken, four breaths. And now we're getting ready to put it on the grill. So let's do that. Alright, just going to cook these up until they're done. And then I'll show you what we're going to do to make the black bean salsa. Okay, to make this black bean salsa, we're going to take some black beans, we're going to take some, about a half a can, an 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple, some garlic, some minced garlic, some red onion. We're going to mince up some tomatoes and some salt and pepper and some lime juice. And we're going to make a black bean salsa out of that. Alright, first we're going to take this can of black beans, pour it in this bowl. And then we're going to take about a half a can. This is it. We only need about 8 ounces. And this is a 20-ounce can of pineapple. So we're going to put about half of that in. Then we're going to cut up, dice this onion here, this red onion. I know I'm not too good at dicing. I think I should have done this a little differently here. I'll try and take dicing lessons next time. Okay, looks good. We'll just leave that right in here, put it all in at once. I'm doing the same thing with these tomatoes. These are just a couple Roma tomatoes. And I think I can smell the chicken getting done. So as soon as we get this cut up, we're going to go check on the chicken. Okay, here we are back. We'll move those garlic pieces off. We're going to put all this into our bowl. And I think I should have got a bigger bowl. Yep, I'm going to run and get a bigger bowl. I'll be right back. Okay, that's a little better. Now we can get the rest of it in there. Okay, then some garlic cloves, and we're just going to crush these up. and put some couple tablespoons of lemon juice in it. 1, 2. That's how my mom taught me how to measure. Some salt. And some pepper. Coarsely ground is probably better. Brings out a little more flavor, but I am out. We're going to mix this up. It's like I forgot to cut all the way through a couple of these tomatoes. And this will be a great side dish to go with the chicken that we're cooking. There you go, black bean salsa. Okay, so the chicken got done. I had moved it to the top so it could kind of continue to just keep warm and cook while I did some other things. And then we got the black bean salsa ready, I just showed you. And we are ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this dish, chicken with black bean salsa, and that you'll visit me at outdoorcookingmagic.com to find out more great ways to cook on your grill. Again, this is Scott at outdoorcookingmagic.com. Come see me, leave me a comment, try this recipe, tell me how you liked it. Thanks.